interesado kang project. Sabi, hindi ko naman close point.
Oo.
Pero meron na ba kaming aabangan sa'yo?
Madami kayong aabangan this coming 2025 Cape Camp.
Ano na ba? Actress Piang Ira?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you, Piang.
Piang, nasa lang on me. Anong pakiramdam mo minsan? Syempre, hindi may alis yung comparison between ng mga former PBB winners. How do you feel pag halimbawa nako-compare ka sa isang winner, past winner, previous winner?
Actually for me, wala. Kasi we both know naman each other na, especially sa mga kapwa kong housemates.
Yes.
We're friends and parang every time na may mga ganong comments, parang okay, okay, we're friends naman, we're close friends, we know each other, we both know na hindi totoo yun, so wala talaga.
Okay, kung may career path kang susundan sa mga artista
Catherine
ngayon.
Bernardo.
Bakit?
Oh, Catherine is very powerful woman.
Oh.
Yeah, yung acting niya,